Hey, over here. Yep, it's me, Carmen, and this is my family. I'm here to tell you that sometimes a little extra care goes a long way. While my manufacturer's warranty provides valuable coverage, it does not cover everything. EG Assurance's vehicle service contract can make us a little more comfortable and relaxed by providing additional coverage on top of the manufacturer's warranty. As my family plans for their long journey ahead, we are happy to know I will be taken care of in case I get a little sick. EG Assurance's vehicle service contract protects you against unexpected repair costs for covered mechanical breakdowns. They also provide 24-hour roadside assistance, trip interruption benefits, and rental car reimbursement for covered repairs. EG Assurance's vehicle service contract is available on both new and pre-owned cars because they know sometimes a little care goes a long way. EG Assurance. Comfort, convenience, care. Visit www.egassurance.com to learn more.